Let's speak English.
I speak English.
You speak English.
Let's speak English.
Let's speak English now.
There's a man in the street, he's walking in the rain, he's singing and he's smiling at the day. And this is what his song has to say. I'm going down the street, I don't want to run, I'm walking in the rain, and I'm thinking about the sun. There's a man and a girl in the street, they're walking in the rain, they're singing and they're smiling at the day. And this is what their song has to say. We're going down the street, we don't want to run, we're walking in the rain, and we're thinking about the sun.
Lesson 29. Mr. Green wants a room in a hotel, a very special room.
Nice hotel. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I want a room, please.
Yes, sir. We've got 86 rooms. This is a hotel. Sorry, sir.
And I don't want a small room, I want a large room.
Yes, sir. Number 25 is a large room.
Has it got a window?
Yes, sir. All the rooms have got windows.
Oh, good. Because I want a room with a window.
Yes. Number 25 has got a small window.
Oh, that's no good.
No good.
No, I don't want a room with a small window. I want a room with a large window.
Yes, sir. Let me see. Yes, number 34 has got a large window.
Is it a large room?
Yes, it's a large room with a large window.
Oh, good. Has it got a carpet?
Yes, sir. All the rooms have got carpets.
Good. Because I want a room with a carpet.
Yes, number 34 has got a nice blue carpet.
Oh, that's no good.
No good?
No, I don't want a room with a blue carpet. I want a room with a red carpet. Listen. I want a large room with a large window and a red carpet. Oh, and a blue bed, and a white table, and a black door, and a green radio, and a yellow...
Here we are, sir. Room number 86. Yes, it's a large room.
Yes.
And it's got a large window.
Mm-hmm.
A red carpet. A blue bed. A black door. And a green radio. Look around.
Oh. Look at the table.
The table?
Yes, the table. This table is black. I don't want a black table. I want a white table.
Sir, I'm sorry, but we haven't got a room with a white table.
You haven't got a room with a white table? What a hotel. Goodbye.
Lesson 29, Drill 1.
Listen and repeat.
An apple.
An orange car.
A pair.
A car.
Lesson 29, Drill 2.
Listen.
An apple.
Do you want an apple? A pear.
Do you want a pear?
Now you ask.
An apple.
Do you want an apple? A pear.
Do you want a pear?
A room.
Do you want a room? A sandwich.
Do you want a sandwich?
A doctor.
Do you want a doctor? Lesson 29, Drill 3.
Listen.
Do you want a large room?
Small. No, I don't. I want a small room. Do you want a small window?
Large. No, I don't. I want a large window.
Now you.
Do you want a large room?
Small. No, I don't. I want a small room. Do you want a small window?
Large. No, I don't. I want a large window. Do you want a blue carpet?
Red. No, I don't. I want a red carpet. Do you want a white table?
Yellow. No, I don't. I want a yellow table. Do you want a Japanese car?
French. No, I don't. I want a French car.
Red cars, blue cars, black cars, white cars, driving here and there. Large cars, small cars, green cars, yellow cars, cars are everywhere. I don't want a radio, I don't want a car, I don't want a book, I want my guitar. I don't want to listen to the radio, I don't want to drive a big black car, I don't want to read a Japanese book, I want to play my guitar. Red cars, blue cars, black cars, white cars, cars are everywhere.
Lesson 30. Jane and George work in a travel agency. They're bored. Hello. Johnson's Travel Agency. Can I help you? Ticket? You want a ticket? Yes. You want to book a ticket? No. Oh, 2 tickets. Yes. Pardon? You want 2 tickets? Yes. You want to book 2 tickets? 2 single tickets to London. Yes. Do you want first class tickets? £8. Oh. You want second class? Yes. Yes. £5. Yes. For the 15th of April. You want 2 tickets for the 15th of April. Pardon? Oh, sorry. The 16th. Yes. Yes, fine. So you want 2 second-class tickets for the 16th of April. Just a moment, please. George,
Yeah?
there's a man here. He wants some tickets.
What?
A man wants to book some tickets.
Where does he want to go?
London.
How many does he want?
2?
First class?
No, he doesn't want first-class tickets. He wants second class.
What date?
16th of April.
Let me see. He wants 2 second-class single tickets to London for the 16th of April. Okay.
Yes, that's okay. Hello? Hello?
What is it?
He's not there.
People haven't got any patience these days, have they? Nope. No patience at all.
What is it?
This job. It's so boring. Do you want single tickets or return tickets? First class or second class? On the 16th, you don't want to go to London? Boring. I can see what the customers want as soon as they come in. Oh no. Here we go again. What do you want?
George.
Oh, sorry. Can I help you, sir?
Yes, I want...
Don't tell me. You want a ticket. He wants a ticket, Jane.
No,
You want a first-class ticket. He wants a first-class ticket.
No, as a matter of fact,
You want a first-class return ticket. He wants a first-class return ticket.
No, I don't want
You want a first-class return ticket to Oxford, don't you?
No, I don't.
No,
No, I don't want a ticket at all.
you don't.
No. I am a policeman, and I want to ask you a question. Have you got a blue car?
Lesson 30, Drill 1.
Listen.
Do they want a large room?
No, they don't. Do we want a Japanese car?
No, we don't.
Now you.
Do they want a large room?
No, they don't. Do we want a Japanese car?
No, we don't. Do you want a book?
No, I don't. Do I want a second-class ticket?
No, you don't.
Let's speak English.
I speak English.
You speak English.
Let's speak English.
Let's speak English now.